All right, on Sunonny Robato,
Yes, Your Honor.
is there an application in this case?
Oh, yeah.
All right, if you'll come forward. Yes.
Oh.
Court is calling 2025 CR 009134, State versus Sunonny Robato. Can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Abelardo Garza for the respondent.
And are you Mr. Robato?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. I need your bar number on that, please. Mr. Robato, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
That is my bar number, Judge.
I think it.
Oh, it's yours. Sorry. Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Robato, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I believe so.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Robato, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you can be deported, not allowed re-entry or denied naturalization?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed under 1244 to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail. There's $180 restitution to the Texas Department of Public Safety. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
State offer states 1 in detachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court will review the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on your behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we just asked that the court follow the agreement.
All right. The court will follow your agreement. The court will sentence you to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's $180 restitution to the Texas Department of Public Safety, and the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. It appears that you have a drug problem. Only one or two things are going to happen if you don't change your life. Either you're going to end up in and out of somebody's jail or in and out of somebody's prison, or either somebody's going to have to identify your body because the last time you use may be the last time you use. When you're released from the jail, if you can't find a place, a sober support house, or some place to help you with your drug addiction, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone, call somebody to help you, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
I appreciate you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I will be
You're welcome.
excused.
Yes. Anyone else? Rick Umberto Gutierrez.
You're good.
All right, hello.
Hi, how you doing?
All right. Come down, sir. Court is calling 2024 CR 6357 State versus Ricardo Gutierrez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And are you Mr. Gutierrez?
John.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Ricardo Gutierrez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 6357 for the offense of theft of property less than $1,500 with two or more previous convictions on August 5th, 2024 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, that's correct.
Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. State?
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 5th day of April 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ricardo Gutierrez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 6th day of February 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ricardo Gutierrez, did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely opiates, in violation of condition number 2.
That is true.
And finally, violated condition number 20, on or about the 6th day of May 2025 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ricardo Gutierrez, did then and there fail to register for/attend a theft program with the approved agency in violation of condition number 20.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And state, do you waive the remaining violations?
Yes, Your Honor, state waives the remaining.
Any objection?
No objections.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violations 2, 2, and 20, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2, 2, and 20?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you have any objections to this attorney standing in because it's listed as Ernest Acevedo III?
He can stand in, yes. It's possible.
All right, is there a proposed agreement?
No, Your Honor, but the state's recommendation is to revoke community supervision and sentence to 9 months in the state jail facility.
All right, in defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we are also asking for revocations. So much be granted, but we are asking the court would consider giving him credit for time served under 1244 and satisfying his judgment. He has 126 days credit in the Bexar County Jail. He was picked up on a drug charge. However, Judge, that case has been dismissed. It was part of the allegations in the NTR, but obviously because of the dismissal, the state's not proceeding on those. Because of that, he's been waiting on this MTR, and at this point, that's what he's asking for, Judge. He knows he's made mistakes, and that's why he's pled true on those, and he's going to take responsibility. But we just feel that he has served time for this. Asking to satisfy that.
What has he done on probation?
Judge, he has done a parenting class, right?
I did a parenting class. I
Did
made
you complete the parenting class?
yes. And that
You raise your
completed
right hand for me.
$100.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Ricardo Gutierrez Jr.
All right, so what have you done?
I completed a parenting class, and it was one of the 3 classes that I was supposed to be completing. I did 100 hours of community service, and I made several payments to the probation every time I went to my probation appointments on time.
Did you do the CATs 1 and 2?
I had a year left to complete those. I was saving up money for those. They were $160 each, and I was working on that.
All right, in probation, do you have any documentation?
Judge, do you have the parenting classes complete?
Okay. All right, state.
Your Honor, we would just ask that you sentence to 9 months. The defendant failed to complete the class that was most relevant to this offense, which is the theft courses. Additionally, he does have some prior convictions. We would just ask that the court sentence to 9 months.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 9 months in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. And as part of your conditions of probation, there was a no contact with Walmart. So the court is going to include a no contact order with Walmart. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.